Unveiling the mystery. Bandsaw Miter Gauge explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of woodworking tools, specifically focusing on the Bandsaw Miter Gauge. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, understanding this tool is key to mastering intricate cuts. So, let's break it down together. Before we delve into the miter gauge, let's first understand what a bandsaw is. A bandsaw is a powerful cutting tool with a long, sharp blade consisting of a continuous band of toothed metal stretched between two or more wheels. It's primarily used for woodworking, metalworking, and cutting a variety of other materials. The bandsaw is celebrated for its ability to make precise cuts, including curved and irregular shapes. Now, let's talk about the miter gauge. A miter gauge is an accessory used with saws, including the bandsaw, to guide the wood or material being cut at specific angles. It consists of a guide bar that slots into a groove on the bandsaw table, and a head that can be adjusted to various angles, typically up to 45 degrees on either side of 90 degrees. This allows for precise angled cuts, which are essential in tasks such as creating joints or fitting parts together at an angle. The magic of the bandsaw miter gauge lies in its simplicity and precision. To use it, you first set the desired angle on the miter gauge, ensuring it's locked in securely. Then, you place the material against the gauge's flat face. As you feed the material into the bandsaw blade, the miter gauge guides it, ensuring that the cut is made at the exact angle you've set. This is crucial for achieving accurate and repeatable cuts, especially when working on projects that require multiple pieces to fit together perfectly. Understanding and using a bandsaw miter gauge effectively can significantly enhance your woodworking projects. It not only improves the accuracy of your cuts but also allows for creativity in designing and executing complex angles easily. Whether you're making picture frames, boxes, or any project that requires angled cuts, mastering the bandsaw miter gauge is a skill that will elevate your woodworking to the next level. We hope this video has shed some light on the bandsaw miter gauge and its importance in woodworking. With this knowledge, you're well on your way to making more precise and creative cuts in your projects. Thank you for watching, and remember, practice makes perfect. So, don't hesitate to get hands-on and experiment with your bandsaw miter gauge. Until next time, happy woodworking!